Yo, what's up guys? Ito na naman tayo, magre-react na naman tayo ng trailer ng Spider-Man Brand New Day. Bali ano na to, showing pa lang ata. Hindi ko pa siya alam talaga, hindi ko pa napapanood yung trailer kung kailan guys. So, yun guys, samahan niyo ako panoorin natin.
What is happening to me?
Did you miss me, Spidey?
I'm losing my mind. I am totally out of control.
Ang itim yung mata niya no. Ngayon na sana pansin itong kamay ko kasi kakalinis ko lang talaga ng karburador ng aking motor. So, diretso na agad tayo. React. So, yun guys. Grabe no, parang lumakas si Spider-Man. So, tingnan natin guys.
I gotta fix whatever this is right now.
Final semester MIT.
Dad, who do you think is actually watching these?
Maybe someone.
Okay, well, bye, someone.
What the?
Dr. Banner, you found a way to suppress mutating DNA, right?
If you see me with this stuff, run.
Gagi guys, parang naging ano na siya. Spider-Man talaga siya. Wala na siya yung parang web niya yung ginagamit. Ang tawag doon, nakalimutan ko ang tawag doon eh. Basta yung kung wala siyang ganun, di niya magagamit yung pagiging Spider-Man niya, yung parang wala yung wave shooting niya ba yun? Wave shooter. Basta yun guys. Yung pag wala siya yung web na yun, yung ginagamit niya. Bali wala siya, kumaga.
So could you get rid of the bad aspects but keep the good?
How would you decide what parts of nature are good or bad?
Well, sorry about that.
You're not one of my students, are you?
It appears we're faced with a threat we can't control.
So it means July siya ngayon papalabas.
One we can't even see. You're the only one who's immune to it. You're the only one who can sense it.
And what do you think they're looking for?
Oh, see, you stumbled across my board. I'm not one of those weirdos, I swear.
He's a little weird. I'm MJ.
You two don't know each other?
Yo, Spider-Man!
Kasi 'di ba dati nung Homecoming ba 'yun, yung Spider-Man ng Homecoming ba yung title na 'yun. Basta 'yun guys. Kumbaga parang 'yun nga, yung nagkaroon ng tatlong Spider-Man na yung Spider-Man na 'yun, tatlong Spider-Man sila doon. Kumbaga ano ba yung hiling, sabi ni Doctor Strange, ano ba yung hiling mo na para kasi parang si Spider-Man nun eh, pampagulo. Pampagulo sa mundo nila, kaya sabi nila forget Spider-Man, parang gano'n. So yun guys, kaya nakalimutan siya ni MJ kasi nga forget Spider-Man nga daw.
You okay? You get rid of that monster inside you?
Think I might go see how MJ's doing.
You're not gonna get away with this.
But he might.
I didn't know you.
Ginaalit niya si Hook. Ayun yung Hook talagang version na dapat makikita natin sa Avengers. Kaso hindi lumabas si Hook dun sa time na yun, yung movie ng nila Thanos. Tanga na.
You get that big.
Ang sabi
Go
niya?
see how MJ's doing.
You're not gonna get away with this.
But he might.
I didn't know you could get that big.
Lumaki.
But you're in danger. You just have to trust me.
Fine.
This whole thing can get really scary.
Who the hell is that?
Who the hell are you?
Frank, please. I don't
Tatandaan kaya siya ni MJ.
have anywhere else to go.
By the people who love you, just gonna let him go himself? Love you because you're you.
If you're gonna do something, you better do it now.
Never forget that. No matter how powerful you become,
I miss you, May.
Si Hope.
Huh. All right, just give me a sec. Give me a sec. I'm not in high school anymore. Oh. Did you stretch? You a big stretcher? It's so good for you. You ready?
So, yun guys. July 31 nga pala siya ipapalabas. Itong Spider-Man. Spider-Man Brand New Day. Yun guys. Papalabas siya ng July 31. Bali, kaabang-abang din to guys. Napaka-solid ng ano niya. Ng Spider-Man ngayon. Lumabas si Hulk. Tapos na parang inaano niya si MJ. Di ko alam kung maalala siya ni MJ sa oras na yun eh. Pero sana parang feeling ko maalala siya noon, no. Na ito pala si Peter Parker, no. Na jowa niya pala dati. Kaso nag-wish siya kay Doctor Strange. Yun guys, panoorin nyo to guys. Napakaganda na ito. Trailer pa lang, napaka-solid na. So, yun guys, pa-follow nga pala ako dito sa natin, sa TikTok page natin. Ay, TikTok page, TikTok shop natin, TikTok account natin pala. Yun, dito. Makakapili kayo ng mga dyan guys, mga damit, basta marami din kayo mapagpipilian dyan. Stalkan nyo lang ako at follow nyo rin guys. May mga rin ako dyan, dyan ko rin, may mga pinapost din ako galing din sa YouTube ko din. Pa-follow din pala dito guys yung sa natin, sa sa Facebook page natin ng Kuya Jose TV. Yun, kung anong pinapost natin sa YouTube, yun din na pinapost natin sa page natin, syempre. So, yun guys. See you in the next vlog. Peace out.